This is your morning jolt. Here's what's happening.
Oh my God, I love that show. Look at that guy. We're like two handsome people, especially the one on the right. I can't believe we taped that couple of hours ago before the market even opened. Some of the hottest stories. One thing that has not changed, the markets are probably going to close the week at even more explosively high records, despite that Steve Wynn news that was reported in the afternoon. This is where the Action Alerts Plus teams hang out. This is my man Zev. Family's getting pumped up for working out on the weekend. What's going on next week? What's hot in there?
Monday we got personal spending.
Yeah.
Friday we got non-farm payrolls and capital goods orders.
Yeah.
In between that, we have 9 companies reporting earnings, including Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Google. So
You ready? Better get the coffee going. But Apple's the hottest one you're looking at, right?
yeah, we want to see what's up with that iPhone X, but we think it'll be good. So lots of homework this
All right,
weekend.
well, good. Get some sleep. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna keep walking around here. So definitely hottest story of the week. Actually, for me, is Netflix. Netflix up 21% in the past 5 sessions. That is absolute madness. Bubble. A couple things I got on my screen. Don't look at this site because it's not our site. Oil prices gonna finish up the week about 5%. Check out this site instead. That's TheStreet's.com. We got a great news story by the Street's founder Jim Cramer. He also manages the Action Alerts Plus charitable trust portfolio. Get all the stock picks. And you have a new column from me, how the stock market can explode another 25%. Scroll down, read all our stories, you know what to do. See that more of that morning jolt right there. It's playing in loop around the office because it really should. So we talked to the Street's Kinsey Grant this morning. What are you working on now, like some 7 hours later?
Oh yeah, just got off the phone with an analyst. I'm writing up a really interesting story about beer sales ahead of the Super Bowl, so be on the lookout for that next week.
Beer sales?
Yeah.
Anybody drinking beer right now?
Not really.
Not really?
Yeah,
okay.
It's a bad year to be in the beer industry.
Yeah, it's all about drinking that tequila. All right, Scott, Scott Gann, what's going on? What's your big guest next week? What we got?
Well, next Thursday we have our monthly trading strategies roundtable. You know, everyone has been waiting for this 10% correction in the stock market. We're going to be focusing on that.
Wait, you call it a market top?
For the entire hour on Thursday, so stay tuned for that.
Wait, this guy, market top? Did you call the market top?
No, I did not.
Yeah, but you want it. It's in your bones, right? You feel it. All right, we'll end it here. We got our super senior tech editor, Nelson Wong. He's getting ready for hardcore earnings season, like the Action Alerts piece people teed up. What do you got, Nelson?
Yep, it's going to be a huge week for earnings, tech earnings. Thursday, it's going to be Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet after the close.
You're giving that Trump shot out with that huge, man. He's got big hands, though.
Yeah. It's the first time I can remember that all 3 of those companies report on the same day.
Yeah.
And everyone's going to be looking for them to continue the success that Netflix has had.
Yeah, I mean, if they don't deliver, this market's going right down the toilet.
It could be in for a bit of a dip.
Yeah,
it's definitely getting bid up.
It's all good. All right, so I'm getting ready to clock out a little bit. It's been one heck of a week here at the Street. We've had a ton of amazing stories. Everybody's been working their tail off. Actually, we'll go to Michelle Lodge over here. She had the story of the week, a big giant feature on Sears. Sears stock is down. Actually, it's on our board, or it was on our board, 9%. This week, actually today alone, the company's completely falling apart. Stock down about 30%, I think, over the past 5 days, if I have my numbers right. Story of the day, Michelle Lodge. Really killed this, been working on it for months. All right, I'm out of here. But I encourage you, check out Morning Jolt on the Street's YouTube page. Click it, subscribe to it, do what you gotta do, but you must get it every single morning. If not, I will come and find you. Have a great weekend.